leading us.
Aspirin, aspirin.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello guys, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy for you guys. The remedy is so simple. The remedy is called aspirin. We all know about aspirin. We use aspirin for pain relief, for headache. Okay, in today's video we are going to be using aspirin to get rid of acne and any open pores and any unwanted oil. Okay, so the first ingredient we are going to be using, guys, we are going to be using 2 aspirin, half tablespoon of rose water. You can also use water. If you don't have rose water, you can also use water, or you can also use glycerin. They all work the same. The reason why I'm using rose water is very good to clean the cell, and it's also good for blemish, and it's also good to get rid of the oily, unwanted oil, and it's also good to close the pores. So I'm going to be using rose water. You can also use water as well. So we're going to be let this soak within 2 seconds, and we're going to smash them. It's very easy. So you continue. You can use spatula, you can use spoon, use anything that you are comfortable with. So you mix it with the rose water well thoroughly, and you can see the foaming to the fine paste. Okay guys, and we need aloe vera. If you have a fresh aloe vera, that also is good, or if you have argan oil, you can also use argan hair oil or coconut oil. Okay guys, so we are going to be using half tablespoon of aloe vera. This is 100% aloe vera. Okay, so we're going to mix this together. I'm going to apply it to the affected area. If you use this, you continue to apply this to affected area, it will help you to get rid of acne. It controls the excess oil, to get rid of oiling. It's very good for oily skin type. So it's going to look like this when you apply your aloe vera with it, and this can last for 1 week in your fridge. Make sure you store it in the fridge, and you wash your face with ordinary water before applying this. So you apply it to the affected area. If it's acne is the problem, you apply it to the where the acne is. If it's oily skin, if it's blemish, any skin disease, This aspirin will help you to get rid, and it will heal every spot that you have that you are struggling to get rid of. Black hair, white hair, and then you continue to use it. You might choose to be using it 3 to 4 times in a week. Try to use it twice daily, and you leave it for 10 minutes, and you rinse it with lukewarm water or ordinary water, and you apply your moisturizer. Give it a go. At least give yourself 3 working days. Okay, if this help you, please share my video with your friend. Continue to support your girl Becky. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Stay blessed. Bye for now.